Hello friends, welcome to Technique. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of yet another accessory from Xiaomi under the Mijia branding. So we have the Xiaomi Mijia gimbal with us for unboxing. So this is an affordable gimbal for 4K recording and action cameras. Unlike other gimbals available in the market, this is specifically made for the Xiaomi's 4K Mijia action camera, which we unboxed on this channel previously. So in this video we'll talk about how good the gimbal is, and we'll also take some footages from the gimbal and show you how good the experience is. So without any further delay, let's first unbox this gimbal. So you can see the Mijia branding along with the Xiaomi. So these are products available under the Mijia branding. So here we have the quick specifications. So it's 340 grams. It has 5000 mAh battery and 5 volt 2 ampere is charging. So almost everything is in Chinese. So this is available only in China as of now. So we have got this unit from gearbest.com. So gearbest.com has sent us this unit for review, and we'll be sharing the link for this device, the accessory, in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy the device from Gearbest in case you're looking for a good gimbal for your Xiaomi Mijia 4K camera. So this is one of the really good gimbals available right now, but it supports only the Xiaomi's Mijia 4K recording action camera. So let's just open this out. So on the top you can see the gimbal. So let's just take this out. So we'll explain this gimbal features in a while. Other than the gimbal, we also get this charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable, that's all. So nothing else is included. It's standard micro USB charging cable. So now let's come back to the gimbal. So this is the gimbal. So in this front portion we have a couple of buttons available. So this is the joystick to rotate or move the gimbal, and then we have the option to take photos during recording, and this is the power on button. And behind this we have this another button for exposure. So changing the exposure can be done using this. So when you connected the camera, you can change the exposure values. Then this is to steady the the gimbal, to make it to the default position, and also to turn on the selfie mode. So we'll just show you all those things. And we have this charging slot available. This is the micro USB charging slot. So it has a 5000 mAh battery. So this is the sealed battery, and it has this rubberized good finish on the back panel. So it's pretty good to hold, and it's pretty compact as well. And on the gimbal mount, you can see this is the area where you mount the Mijia 4K action camera. So we'll just mount this camera here. So this is the Xiaomi's Mijia 4K action camera. So it also has this slot here. So you can see this is the slot, and we have to use this slot to power it on. So there you go. We'll just insert this. So you need to be a bit careful while inserting. The slot should enter the charging slot. So there you go. So now we have inserted. You can just press this and lock the position. So there you go. So we lock the position. Now let's power it on. So as you power it on, you can see the gimbal in action now. So you can see the battery capacity right now. So 3 dots available. So that means almost 75% is available, and the camera has been started now. And you can see that it is actually charging the camera as well. So the 5000 mAh battery charges the camera as well. So that's quite good. So you don't have to worry about charging the 4K camera separately. So now this is how you use the joystick here. So there you go. You can use the joystick in all the 4 directions. And this button, as I said before, the button available on the back, when you press it, you can see it comes to the default position. So whenever you turn on or move the position, you just have to press and double press the back button, and it comes back to the original position. And there is also a selfie mode. What it does is press the button 3 times, and you can see, there you go, that's the selfie mode available. So if you want to record selfies or rather videos with a selfie, you can just press this button 3 times. This button is available on the back. So press this, it comes to selfie mode, and press this button 3 times again, and it goes back to the original mode. So that's how it works. So you can see here, now we have moved back to the original mode. Now let's show you some of the options available here. So you can see here there is a button here. So you can see handheld gimbal settings. You can see some modes and options are there. Device info is there. Scenes, there are different scenes available: normal, sport, wear, custom mode. So these are the modes of scene modes available. Then we have the regular options. You can see the exposure values that can be set using this button. So this is how you set the exposure, increase or decrease the exposure using the gimbal. So now we'll just show you other options. So once you have set this, you can press this button to start the recording. So now you can see that recording is in progress. So there you go. And if you want to stop this, you can just press this. And if you want to take a capture, just press the capture button. So there you go, that we have taken a capture. So that's how this gimbal works. And now let's see some samples taken with this gimbal. So the first sample is we have taken this when we are walking, and this is the stabilization and the capture taken with the Mijia 4K action camera, which is mounted on the gimbal. So this is when we are walking. You can see the stabilization. So next step, we are going to run with this gimbal. So this is the footage taken when we are running with the gimbal and the action camera, and the stabilization is really good on this gimbal. So that's the quick unboxing and setup, and also some samples taken with the Xiaomi Mijia gimbal and 4K action camera. So you need to know that this is supported only with the Xiaomi Mijia 4K action camera. It's not supported with any other devices like the GoPro, or you can't even mount a smartphone with this gimbal. That's probably the disadvantage here. But this combination of Mijia 4K action camera and the gimbal is really good. So if you already own the Xiaomi's 4K action camera, then this gimbal is a really good investment, because this has a really good stabilization included, and the videos are really good, and the overall finishing of the gimbal also looks pretty good. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi's Mijia 4K recording camera and the gimbal mounted with it. And hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you plan to buy this gimbal and action camera, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy the device. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.